In this video, we're going to answer the question, is cruising still worth it?
And to do that, we are staying 10 days on the Norwegian Getaway. We're really excited.
We want to start off by saying this video is not sponsored by any cruise line, so everything you hear is our true and unbiased opinion. There are a lot of pros and cons when it comes to cruising, so let's start it off with the pros. Cruising is the ultimate convenience. You're able to unpack your suitcase once while still seeing many destinations. The food is cooked, the drinks are made, excursions can be booked, and the concierge help desk does most of the hard work. Lastly, you're pretty much on a hotel that floats. Another pro is that most cruises are all-inclusive. Every cruise ship has a buffet that can be enjoyed for free. Activities on the ship can be free, but may need a reservation ahead of time. Drinks and alcoholic drinks can be free depending on the package and if they offered any special deals ahead of booking. Another pro is the affordability of cruising. After all is said and done, cruises often compete in pricing with an all-inclusive resort or if you were to plan a vacation on your own. The pro that most people look forward to, relaxation. For the amount of pools, hot tubs, lounges, and spas, cruises can be a relaxation central. You may have to book a day at the spa, which can rack up quickly, but there are plenty of ways to relax for free. A pro that Brie and I loved was the high quality food and entertainment. From our experience on the Norwegian Getaway, the food was different every night. They had different ethnic foods set up under their special section. If the specials wasn't appetizing to you, they had many stations set up like American, Indian, Thai, pizza, vegetarian, Oriental, Asian, and Mexican food. The entertainment is high quality whether it is a comedy show or musician band. We saw the group Junk and they played really good music from Junk instruments. There was basketball, soccer, a water park, and ropes course, all free to do, and there was no limit of how many times you could do these activities. Depending on the cruise line ship, there is go-karting, a wave pool. It just matters what ship you are on and what they have to offer. Those were all the positives we experienced while cruising. Now let's talk about the cons we experienced. We highly recommend to not cruise if you get seasick easily. The seas are very unpredictable and you won't know if you're going to get sick until it's too late. There are ways to prevent it, for example if you take Dramamine or wear Sea-Bands, which applies pressure to the pressure points on your wrist to alleviate seasickness. However, that works for some and not everyone. Another con is you'll have limited time in ports. Cruises are relaxing, but there is a little bit of a rush factor to them. More often than not, you'll have one day in a port, dock at 8 a.m. and leave by 7 p.m. with an all-aboard time at 6:30. In order to get a full day at the destination, you have to be up and out early to make sure you can experience as much as you possibly can. It is recommended to always come back to the ship earlier than the all-aboard time, just in case there are unforeseen situations that can make you late. One thing about cruises, they will not wait for you. Another con is do not expect to get what you pay for. Once you're on board, you have little control. The captain and the crew have full discretion of where they're going and how long they can stay somewhere. They also have the right to completely skip ports if they feel the need to. From our experience, we were supposed to stop at the Dominican Republic and Great Stirrup Cay, but were skipped for unknown reasons. That added 2 full days at sea. A big con with cruising is how expensive it gets once you're on the ship. Cruise lines try to get the most amount of money out of you, from expensive Wi-Fi packages, massages, games, drinks, and excursions. They know you have no other option, so you will pay for it. If you can, try to book your cruise with special deals that offer free Wi-Fi or free beverage package to save you money. Our last con are the crowds. Cruises have died down since the pandemic, but are on the rise again. Most cruises are offering very good deals to get you to cruise with them again. When we went, our ship was at half capacity, so it did not feel crowded. Overall, our cruise experience was really fun. Having the luxury of waking up and being in a new destination with breakfast, lunch, and dinner all prepared was a nice change from what we normally do. We were never bored with all the activities we were able to do, which was a good thing. To answer our initial question, yes, we think cruises are still worth it and they are really enjoyable. We really hope this video can help you decide if you want to cruise or not. If you have any questions that we did not answer, drop them down in the comments and we'll be happy to answer them. If you missed our last video, we crashed Brie's parents' 30th anniversary cruise. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on next week's video.